Hello, my name is Irene Goyes, and this video is for assignment number 2. And in this assignment, we were given a question based on the first letter of our last name. And like I said, my last name is Goyes, so it starts with a G. And so that defaulted me to question number 3. And that question asked, basically in one of the figures that it showed in the textbook, did the nursing, let's see if I can get access better to this question. Probably not. Okay, so basically it asked for me to review figure 1 and did the nursing outcome compliance behavior change over the 6 months of home visits. And so when I referred back to figure 1, it was obvious that there was a change in the behavior of the compliance um, in a 6 month period. It started off as a mean of 3 and then increased to about 4, fairly close to 4. So that would mean that there was a change. Um, and yeah, so I would say that it was a positive change because, just being honest, that's what I've been taught. It's to the right and it's going upward in the graph, so that would make for a positive change over the 6 months, and the mean went from a 3 to a 4. And that is my question or my answer and rationale for question number 3. Again, this is Eileen Goyes for statistics. Thank you. Bye-bye.